What's up guys? In this video, let's go ahead and talk about what the real yield in DeFi is. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright, so all the links to the articles that we will be using in this video will be in the description of the video. First things first, what is DeFi yield farming? So it says here that yield farming allows users to earn cryptocurrency, which is exactly correct. Yield farming is also an investment practice that involves locking crypto in a dApp or a decentralized application for your token rewards. So yield farmers deposit their tokens into DeFi applications for crypto trading. So that is the basic definition on what yield farming is. Next is, how do high APYs work, right? So that is actually one of the questions that new crypto traders or crypto investors ask. So think of it this way, guys. If you have a savings account in a bank, right? So the higher the APY on a savings account, the more money you earn on your balance. But the APY can also apply to the banking products other than savings accounts, such as the interest-bearing checking accounts or your money market accounts and certificates of deposit. So that's kind of how it works in crypto as well. Now, the next question is, what is real yield farming, right? So you have your yield farming and you also have your real yield farming. So real yield farming is very similar to a stock dividend, guys. Now with real yield, you invest money in a DeFi protocol, and through that investment, the protocol is able to generate revenue from which it proves you a small share. And of course, you still hold on to your investment as well, right? So this one, guys, is a good example of a real yield project. GMX is a decentralized perpetual exchange that permits trades with no price impact and low swap fees. It is a special multi-asset pool that supports trading and generates fees for liquidity providers via market making. So swap fees and leverage trading are the ones that they use. Now it is currently live on Avalanche and Arbitrum. So the exchange is made up of two tokens, right? First is their utility token, which is the GMX, and then the second is their governance token, which is the GML. So if you're not familiar with the utility token and governance token, go ahead and check out our channel. There are a lot of videos that you could check out in there that will help you out in understanding more about crypto. So holders of the GMX who take 30% of the revenues made via swaps and leverage trading, while the GLP holders receive the remaining 70%. So additionally, these fees are paid in Ethereum or the ETH. So that is a good example of the real yield projects. Now, if you're new to the channel, guys, I hope you would consider clicking that subscribe, click that bell, that will always be notified when we upload new videos in the future. I will see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.